Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. You guys remember the master bedroom? So we stripped it down, we sanded it down. We were having inspection, so we can know if we're going to get insurance. So we had at least to fix some things immediately. So we sanded down the walls and removed the wallpaper. We did this to the master bedroom and the room near the sauna. So and then just sweep the area, that's all. This is the room near the sauna, and we removed it, and there were so much wonders in this room, and we're glad we removed it so we can start working on it. We removed the wallpaper, the floor, everything, and look at this. The floor was so damp, like it had already gotten to like the wood and everything. So this room was so damp. So we had to remove everything and let it dry because we can't work on it right now. But this is how it's going, and we had a few friends helping, Isak and Axel. So this is how the room looked like, or looks like currently. If you noticed in the other video, the element is being supported by a few woods. So this is just Isak making the wood that's going to support the element. Next morning, Newell woke up early to do all this cutting of the bushes near the trees because at around 11 some guy, I don't remember his name, he was coming to cut the trees, and I just helped a bit, not so much. The thing carries me away, so it's understandable. So this machine works like it's shredding the wood to make it smaller, and it's digging it up, and you can see how it's going, like spinning. Just that's how it's cutting the wood. Going to play Bilbingo. That's car bingo, right? We see if we got lucky. Everyone who parked here just came to play Bilbingo, and it was fun. So these are the sheets, and it's games inside games. So the game is, the lady, you can hear from the speakers, the lady shouts the number, you cross it, and once you get like a whole line, you beep beep, I've forgotten, you hoot, and you hoot, and the people come and check if it's correct, and if it's correct you win 500 krona. And the more the game is going, the more lines you get, the more money you get. And on the last page, he told me, on the last page, that's what you want to win, because you get 10,000 krona, and just add a zero and you're going to find it in Kenyan shillings, so it's good money. But I wasn't so lucky this day, but it's okay. We're gonna try next time and next time till we get something someday.
Nummer 4, nummer 9. Nummer 3, nummer 4.
3.
82, 82. 36, 36. 71, 71.
71.
22, 22.
22.
88, 88. Ottiu 3,
83,
83.
83.
Rettiu
30,
30.
30.
Tjugofem,
25,
25.
25.
Vi har bingo på 25.
What is the last one you want to win? 10,000 then.
65 bingot var rätt. Bingo är oikein.
Not the
There's also a break where you can go and buy something to eat because the game is long. It takes 2 hours to play the whole game. Here everyone is just leaving, we're done. Back to Yardwork, and we had to remove these trees and take them to återvinningen. It's a recycling place. So we just had to do this because we also borrowed we rented excavator, I don't know what it's called, but this machine. So we dug up the yard and it's messy now, very messy, and this is just some process we're doing. We need the grass to be okay and for it to be healthy. We removed everything, like everything, every green thing, we just removed it. And then we put everything in one pile, the one that is for decomposing and the one to be taken to återvinningen. And around the house we removed all the flowers because it's nice to have flowers near the house, but it's also stupid to have them there because they make it a way for water to get into your house, and that's when you get the damp house, like it gets dumpy and moist inside the house and you need to repair things quickly. Of course, once you've borrowed something, you need to return it back when it's clean. So we're cleaning it. Yep. After all that, we clear the yard. We don't want to leave things messy lying around. So it's just to make it pretty, but it's not pretty yet. We also removed the bushes behind the garage so our hallons back there would sprout nicely. Then later we watered the grass so it just looked nice for the time being. Then we went for Luke's baptism and that was epic. So it's yard sale time. Let's see what we get. I love shopping and it be anywhere, I'm cool. Let's see what we get. So we got this one, a candle holder at the yard sale, and this coat hanger with marble detail. You can see it. And then we also, for winter, I freeze a lot, so we got also this blanket. You connect it and it gets hot, or yeah, so you don't freeze. That was 50 krona. This is the blanket. It's a huge one. Then I don't have like a tiny purse and I need it, so I think this one is going to hold for the time being. And here I got nice shoes for 50 krona, my size, and they're almost like brand new. They're all, yeah, maybe worn once or twice maybe, but they're nice. And then I got this. I liked it because you see, these are like the dates. You can change them according to the dates, and then these are the months, like May, June, July, August. Then September, October, November, December. Then here you have January, February, March, and April. So whenever it's a month, you put it like, let's say December. No, let's say August, and it's August 18th. Yeah. So it's like that. So you just put it like that. I found it so nice, and that's why I took it. So that was 30 krona. And then this one, oopsie, these ones we were given for free, but they were to be 20 krona for both of them. And then these two were 10 krona. They're candle holders, and this one you light it up like that. You can see it's lighting up. You just put it there, so like that. And they were nice. Then we also got this other candle holder, that one. So yeah, it looks nice. You can change them if you want. Then I also got this bomber jacket, and oh, I loved it. It looks so nice. The orange inside and the green outside. I loved it. I also got this one, and it's love rules. So the first one is, don't forget to hug, give compliments, say sorry, have fun, love each other, and laugh together. Better thoughts than argue. Kiss is free. Be positive. Show respect. Love, forget, and forgive. So I thought that was cool, and thank you guys. So I hope to see you next time, and remember to like this video, share, leave a comment, and subscribe. Till next time, bye.